Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add widgets in Notion. So first go over to the page indify.co. Here click on sign up with Google and it will open up this window. Here in this window choose your account and press continue. Now it will load up for a bit and it will connect this account to your Google account so you can use the widgets in Notion. You can close this tutorial and click on add new widgets or select some of the widgets. So you have to choose right here how you want to use it and select the platform, submit. So now select the widgets. You can explore it. You have Google Calendar, weather, live progress bar, quotes. So choose whatever you want. Let's say I want to add a clock widget. So I will click on create widgets. Clock, title will be clock, continue. Now it will load up and generate new widget for you. And as you can see, there is the widget. You can also customize it if you want in this section. But the important thing to get it into Notion is going right here and clicking on copy to clipboard. This will copy this link, and now you can go straight over to Notion and type in / and embed. Click on embed, and here you have to pass the link, so press Command V or Control V if you are on Windows and click on embed link. Now this will block the progress, embed the widget into your Notion. It is really this simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.